And today we're going to be unboxing the tablet, Samsung Tab A7. I'm not gonna lie to you all, I really love this tablet. It's really, I've heard, obviously I didn't open it, it was lightweight, it was nice, it was flexible, and I think I will really use this tablet, like for my essays, for school, or even like live streaming and doing stuff. So I truly love this tablet. And I'm gonna give you guys a little secret hint. I broke my last tablet, but in my fairness, it was really old and it was really easy to break. I don't even know how I broke it, to be honest. Hi, I'm FabuRocks, but my family calls me Fabu. I've been creating videos and live streaming since I was 7 years old, as a form of therapy that my parents, Mom and Dad, have created for me to overcome my spatial learning disability and ADHD. Now that I'm older and overcome many challenges, my goal and plan is to empower and support others like me. That is why I'm founder and leader of the Fabu Army, a clan that supports and empowers young content creators like myself. I'm the youngest Facebook gaming partner and youngest former Mixer partner. I'm sponsored by Turtle Beach, ROCCAT, and GFUEL. And before we continue, I want to mention two crucial things. I'm not sponsored by this company, and this is my raw opinion. This is my opinion, and this is like the kid's perspective in a way. Second, I am not tech savvy, nor I am a professional with this thing. I'm like not gonna give you all these geeky words like, oh, this frames per second, this gigabyte, this terabyte. I don't know. That's just the words that came out. Like other fancy words for all the techie people, but I'm not gonna do that. But if you want a video like that, I could send you some links that really help me out to understand it, in the link down below. There's some links down below. So I think that would really help you that would really help you if you want to look for that. But I'm gonna be saying how this is gonna help me, the features I love, and I'm gonna be unboxing it and saying the kid's perspective and my opinion and my and talk about it. You know, the features. So let's get to it. Let's unbox it. Okay, let's unbox this beauty, am I right? Oh, this looks really nice, I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to rip it though. Oh, this is really thin, I'm not gonna lie, this looks super thin. I thought it was gonna be a little more fatter. Like my tablet, my old one, was super fat. Like, it was like really heavy and fat. Okay. Give me a minute. Ooh. Ooh, this looks nice. I really like this. Like with a cover, you could be typing. Oh, I really like this. I'm really not gonna lie. This is really nice, and the camera looks really nice. Looks really cool. And I just dirty it with all my fingers, so, my dirty fingers. So I'm gonna stop touching that for now. This is a guide for you guys. You know, get to know your product. Am I right? Ayo. And right here, this is a pin to get your SIM pin? Yeah, your SIM pin. That's what it's called. Look, this looks really cool. This is nice. It's like, you know, I'm not gonna take that out because I feel like I would lose it. So, oh, what is this? Okay, this is a USB-C port, so you could charge your phone, obviously. I really like this. It's really short. I think that's one of the negative things, but I like it. It's really cool. It's like, dude, it's really cool. I just like it. I don't know. I feel like that sounds so dumb. It's so cool though. This is a wall charger. A wall charger. Okay, it looks nice. I like how it's like black here and then white. By the way, there's other colors to this. I'm pretty sure this is the gray. There's other colors like the silver and the gold. I'm not gonna lie, I liked gray better. I don't think it would look nice in gold. I feel like that looks weird. Just black screen and then gold. So that's too baller for me, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna put some this stuff in the, you know, in the side. Now that I'm done unboxing, I'm going to tell you some of the features it has that mean the most to me and that I understand because considering this tablet has so many features. And by the way, I forgot to mention earlier, this tablet also comes with 2 months of premium YouTube Premium, and 6 months of Spotify Premium. Yeah, boy, hey yo, jackpot, am I right? Let's go! Woo! We scored a good one on this one, am I right? Number 1, slim, stylish. This means that, well, I don't know how to really explain it, but this means that the tablet is thin, lightweight, and good looking. Did you see these designs? Like, look at this. It looks so stylish. It's thin, so it's not like fat like my other one that it was like super like heavy and not comfortable, and I'm gonna say not stylish like this one. This one's thin, nice, cute, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna take this everywhere. This looks so cool. I love the designs. I know there's like some designs here. It's really cool. I truly like it. I like the gray, to be honest. I didn't like the silver. Or the gold. Number 2, surround sound. This means that when I'm watching Netflix or Amazon Prime in my bed chilling, and I want to really enhance the story, because I always love those movies they really suck you in. Like, well, I can't really think of any right now that's really brought me in to life I can actually relate to. But with this tablet, it actually focuses on the surround. Like, you know, in the Turtle Beach. In the Turtle Beach, it has surround hearing that you could hear everything. It's like that. It's kind of like that. It's when you watch Netflix or YouTube, you hear everything. You hear birds, I don't know, chirping. You hear everything, which I truly like, because I feel like I'm actually there, that I actually hear everything, experience everything, and not just, let's say, the guy or the girl talking. Number 3, memory. Memory for me is a deal breaker. Like, when I get something or a device, I usually look at the memory. And when I saw the memory, I was like, wow, this is really good. It has 32 gig of memory, which is amazing. That's super much, and it's a lot. And I really liked it because I'm going to use, considering that I take pictures a lot with my tablet and my devices, so I could be like, hey, let's take a picture, and it would be really nice, you know. So I think memory is a great feature that it has, and I think it's very valid to make a point. Number 4, binge-worthy battery. This means the tablet is designed for busy days or just binge watching movies, like, which I usually do. This movie just came out, I was like, what? Okay, I have to watch this. And the tablet is designed for that. And it's really good with battery, which is another key component for me, because I always look at a device for battery. Battery is, for me, the most important. I think I would want it like the first, because if the memory is amazing, the speed is amazing, but the battery's sucky, like, what's the point, in my opinion? I think the battery should be amazing, awesome, and I personally rather battery than a lot of memory or the fastest speed. So this one is good with battery. It's with your USB-C port. It goes to 0 to 100 super quick while charging it, and when you're using it, it doesn't go super fast. Going down on your battery, like. Okay, here guys, guys, I have some accessories for you, and I want you guys to see. But warning, this does not come with a tablet, and it's from another company. Two items here. First, I'm gonna do this is the keypad. Right here is just the guide, the manual here. Obviously the keyboard. I really like this keyboard because I think I would be like, obviously if there was no COVID, I would just be there like or doing in my grandma's house, considering we go to my grandma's house so often. I'll be like doing essay reports or something in my schoolwork, or we could do live stream and other like many things. But I really like this. I think it's really useful and nice. This is a USB, so you could charge the keyboard, obviously. And here. This looks so cool. Oh, this is the cover. Oh, wait. Is it? Yeah, I think it is. Give me a minute. Yeah, right here. Okay. This looks so cool. Oh, you see that? That's awesome. Look, put it here. Okay, here's the cover. I really like it. It's like firm. So you know when the tablet doesn't be slippery or just comes out, you know? So let's connect this here. Ooh, nice. Okay, right here, we do it like this. Put it anytime you want, like here or here. Well, I think that's the maximum, but I like it here. And then we could connect this. Obviously, it's not connected here. And then, boom. This is magnetic. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, that's amazing. That's actually really cool. Like, whoop. And then, wait. And then if it slips, it doesn't slip, you know? That's really cool. I like that. Like, it's kind of connected in a way. And then you just like, boom, 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 boom. Put this in your backpack. You're set to go. That's really cool. I really like that. It's like really portable. I could take this anywhere I want to go. Like, boom. There. Boom, boom. Just takes less than 10 seconds and then oh, and it's magnetic here too. That's really cool. I really like that. It's so nice and it's neat and it's like really like, it's not like, you know, it takes so much space in your book bag. I really like this. This is mind-blowing. Like, I would probably, just because of this, I would just give it a 10 out of 10. This is so portable. It's nice. It's safe because of the cover, kind of. So that's really good. The second thing I have is a screen protector. Ha ha ha. Ho 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 ho. Okay, here, this is our second thing. It's a screen protector. It's, by the way, just to mention, it's tempered glass, which was just made for this, like, to protect your screen. Wow. This looks really cool. I'm not even allowed to touch it, you know? Yeah, Fabu's like, if you touch it, no, because it's a screen protector and, you know, thumbprints, you know, it will get dirty and the screen protect. By the way, no, if you're gonna buy this, make sure your screen is really clean. If you leave it there, it will take in your fingerprints and, you know, no suspects, am I right? Welcome to the state of art. Oh. And that's a wrap, fam. I would give this tablet a 10 out of 10, maybe 9 out of 10, because it kind of sucks that you have to pay for the cover individually. I wish it kind of was included, but we had a better badass cover, so who cares, right? Ayo. But I truly, like, for the performance, the memory, the everything, I would give it a 10 out of 10. By the way, I forgot to mention, we bought the tablet for 32 G, where you could either buy it 32 or 62. We bought a 32, obviously. So I truly loved it. I think I'm gonna use it 24/7, sorry, to start doing my essays, my reports, my assignments. I really, like, you don't know how much I loved it. It was so nice. It was portable. It was easy to go. It wasn't heavy, which I think that's, like, awesome. It was lightweight. I pack it up, put in my backpack, which, like, you know, it didn't take that much space. And I would give it a 10 out of 10. Amazing, great, great on performance, great on memory. You could get more memory, by the way. Great on battery life, I think. And the best part, I think we all gotta say, the best part about this whole tablet is that after you buy it, you get 2 months of YouTube Premium and 6 months of Spotify Premium. Psh, am I right? Like, not gonna even joke. I haven't had YouTube Premium or Spotify Premium. Like, that's just mind-blowing. We have Amazon, we have something else, but not, like, Premium. Like, psh, that's for the OGs, for the ballers, am I right? Let's go. We're going to the rings. Let's go for, like, about 8 months. Let's go. Well, technically 6 months. So I think that was the best part of the tablet. I think it was a nice touch. Samsung didn't really have to do it, but it was nice, so they, like, you know, for their buyers, they could have a nice treat. So I think it really deserves like 100 out of 10. Guys, I invite you on the daily journey where each video is a new therapy session, and the best way for you guys to support me is by joining the Fabu fam. How, you guys? Well, you can start subscribing right now and hitting that notification bell. And you could join our Discord, which is FabuRocks, our Twitter, our Instagram, which is FabuRocks too. Everything's like FabuRocks. Our Facebook, which is FabuRocks Live. Our Discord, which is FabuRocks, our website, which is FabuRocks.com. So you could tell that everything's FabuRocks except the Facebook. It's FabuRocks Live, and the website is FabuRocks.com. If I didn't mention, the website shows why we got here, how we got here, and my learn more about my disabilities, like my learning disability, my ADHD, and all about that. If you're curious, and like always, just be yourself, because that is Falicious. Bye.